YouTube fam, here it is, New Year's night. January 2nd is my baby Holly's birthday. The one that just found out she has non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Happy birthday, baby, I love you. I was going to buy her a diamond ring for her birthday, and she said no. I love my baby Holly. She doesn't deserve what's happening to her, but she's one badass girl. She's tough. She kicked its ass once, and she'll kick its ass again. But prayers for my baby Holly Reynolds. All the prayers we can get, guys, please. And she's my baby. Daddy loves you, baby Holly. Been going down the spooky road to the truck. And again, guys, I'm telling you, send me in your encounters and things. And if I think it's worthy, I'll put it on the channel. I'll read it. Me or Amy One will. I've never done that before, but I'm going to try it to see what it's like, because I enjoy listening to those so much on the other channels. So I started thinking, why not just start getting my own encounters and reading them myself on my channel? I mean, because I really enjoy listening to it. It's all I listen to. I mean, Real Adventures out of Kentucky, that guy is awesome. You guys, if you haven't checked out his channel, you need to go to Real Adventures Dogman, and that's how you got to type it in, or it won't just pop up, or it don't for me anyway. And he has some really good stories, encounters that people mail into him. I mean, I hope to God I never run into none of those damn things, Dogman or anything. It's creepy as hell where I park at. I half expect to do it, to see it, where I park at. I mean, because it's just secluded. There's train tracks and there's woods, you know. It's not way out, but like the guy that ran into one in Cleveland, you know. Cleveland's a lot bigger than Miamisburg. Church's Flowers going out of business. Got to get my old truck started. It's cold. Man, they're talking about 6 inches of snow by Sunday. I see my reefer still running, thank God. Because that load's got to stay at 70 degrees. Yeah, all the mud here is froze, at least. Or drying up. I bet my damn APU hasn't been running. Damn, the water puddles ain't even froze. And I hit ice on the road. Oh, Lordy, that hurt. All right, find my truck key to open the door. There it be. Yeah, it's cold. I got to get some anti-gel in my tank. Dang, my lock was froze. Yeah, the cold start in New Blue ain't nothing like the cold start in Old Blue. That's a fact. At least it had twin stacks. And yep, my APU has not been running. This is bullshit. Got it fucking, why? Why? It was working perfect. Now it won't fucking work at all. Got to see if the APU will kick on, because I don't think the truck will start. I mean, I had it set to warm. It should not be this fucking cold in this truck. Come on, APU, kick on.
I want it to start so I don't got to charge the battery so I can start the truck. Come on. Come on. It's running. Not too good, but it's running. What's beeping? I don't know what the fuck was beeping. Did y'all hear that beeping? Now, why is the APU running so good now? Well, we'll get our shit in the truck while we're waiting on the... You know what? It sucks. You can take a picture, but you can't switch the camera. That's stupid. Damn it, man. Amy loaded me up on snacks this time. He messed up. I drove off and left my pickup truck sitting there running, wouldn't it? Hell, I don't think I got anything that goes in the refrigerator. Oh my God. My beef jerky left out. Fruit cups. Tuna salad. Ta-da! Tuna salad and crackers. I guess you thinks I love tuna salad, huh? Another garbage bag. Can of Pringles. Cheddar cheese. I'm running out of room to put it. Velcro. Cashews. Fruit green cereal bars. Ta-da! I'm snack poor. Yeah, I got to do this to fix my day for nothing to drink. 2 cans of pop and 1 bottle of water to drink. Yeah, I got to use this to fix my digital speedometer that's been sitting on the dash. Oh man, I hope I got the plug. I don't. It's at home. I know it is. I gotta go home. I can't charge my phone. Peace. Bye. Love you.